Hello, hello! This is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library. Strawberry season is upon us, so it only feels right to have a recipe to show us how to use up those delightful berries. Our cookbook highlight is Watermelon and Redbirds by Nicole A. Taylor. Our featured recipe is strawberry hand pies. For your ingredients, you will need cream cheese at room temperature, unsalted butter at room temperature, confectioner sugar, vanilla extract, pre-made pie crust rolls, strawberries, dark brown sugar, cornstarch, grapefruit, zest and juice, ginger, vanilla extract, salt, and an egg. Step 1. Place the cream cheese and butter into a medium bowl. Beat until smooth, scraping down the sides as needed to eliminate clumps. If using a handheld mixer, about 1 to 2 minutes. Step 2. Working a half cup at a time, add in the confectioner sugar. Stir in the vanilla, transfer to a plastic container and store in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Step 3. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and set aside. Step 4. Meanwhile, in a medium bowl, combine the strawberries, brown sugar, cornstarch, grapefruit zest and juice, ginger, vanilla, and salt. Allow to macerate while the pie dough chills for 30 minutes. To define macerate, it is to soften or become softened by soaking in liquid. Step 5. Lightly dust a large work surface, a rolling pin, and the dough with flour. Roll the chilled dough out a bit and cut into foldable strips. Fill each section with 1 heaping tablespoon of the strawberry filling. Fold over the dough in half and crimp closed with the prongs of a fork. Chill the pies in the fridge until ready to bake. Step 6. Brush the tops of the pies with the egg wash and prick with a fork twice to create vents. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes until golden brown. Step 7. Remove pies from the oven and allow to cool completely. Then spread the cream cheese frosting over each pie before serving. All that's left to do is enjoy. Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the GPL Collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.